Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we will learn some more new words related to the B2 level. If you have not seen yet B2 level videos, simply go to the playlist and watch all the videos because it is very important to have good vocabulary. I always say you must have good word power vocabulary if you want to speak well German. There is no other magic, just you have to learn the vocabulary and you have to apply them. Execution, as I always say, execution and application of vocabulary is very important. You must know how to execute them, you must know how to use them in a sentence. So let's start with today's class. Wortschatz, eine oder keine Lust haben. Ich habe keine Lust auf Musik hören. I have no interest, I have no desire. Ich habe keine Lust auf Musik hören, auf Fixed Preposition, auf Akkusativ. Ich habe eine Lust, ja, ich habe die Lust. Ich habe die Lust auf Fußball spielen. Ich habe die Lust auf Deutsch lernen. I have interest. This is my interest. I have desire. So whenever you have desire, you have interest of doing something, you can say this. Lust haben or keine Lust haben. Negativ, keine Lust. Genervt aussehen. Du siehst genervt aus. You are looking very irritating. What happened? Is all well? Genervt, irritating. Upset. Genervt sein. Ich bin genervt. Ist genervt. Mein Kollege ist genervt. Mein Chef ist heute genervt. Or Sie sehen genervt aus. You are appearing to me. You are looking to me. Nervous, upset, irritating. What happened? Was ist passiert? What happened to you? Genervt aussehen. Someone is appearing, someone is looking, irritating, upset. Genervt aussehen. Trennbares Verb, separable verb. Nummer 3, auf eigenen Beinen stehen, to stand up, to be independent. To be independent. Meine Kinder stehen auf eigenen Beinen. My children are independent. They are not dependent upon me. They are independent. They are earning good. They are working. They are independent, self-dependent. Auf eigenen Beinen stehen. It's a very good structure. Auf eigenen Beinen stehen. This is called B2. This is called B2 level German. Now look at the standard. Look at the vocabulary. Look at the way of speaking. It's very standard German. Hochdeutsch. And the level extremely very good. Auf eigenen Beinen stehen. So this is the verb. Conjugate the verb. Like here, this was the verb. Sich leisten, to afford. I cannot afford a car. Ich kann mir ein Auto nicht leisten. Okay? Ich kann mich nicht leisten. Sich leisten, to afford. My friend cannot afford a Wohnung in Berlin. Mein Freund kann sich nicht die Wohnung in Berlin leisten. He cannot afford it. He cannot afford this simply. Er kann sich nicht leisten. Anything. An apartment, expensive mobile, a car. Anything that you cannot afford in monetary terms, in terms of money. Something you cannot afford. Sich leisten, reflexive. Okay? Sich leisten. Ich kann mir das Haus nicht leisten. I cannot afford this house. Sich leisten. Luxus aufgeben. You have to give up the luxury life. Now start working on your money. Okay? You are living very luxurious life. Now you have to give up. Sie müssen den Luxus aufgeben. Sie müssen Luxus, luxury aufgeben. You have to give up all this luxury life. It's enough. You have to give up. Luxus aufgeben. Next. In einem Hotel. In einem Hotel. Übernachten. To stay in a hotel or to stay in igloo. Igloo is also house, type of house that you find in cold areas. Okay? Igloo or in einem Hotel übernachten. To stay, overnight stay in a hotel. Wir können in einem Hotel übernachten. Kein Problem, we can stay in a hotel. Wir fahren nach Paris, wir übernachten in einem hotel. We stay in a hotel. 5-stjerne hotel. 5-star hotel. 5-stjerne. 5-stjerne hotel. We stay in a 5-star hotel. In einem 5-stjerne hotel übernachten. To stay in a 5-star hotel. This is not separable verb. Übernachten. Okay, it's complete one verb. Do not separate. Next, den Namen verdienen. To earn the money. To earn the name. It's a very good thing. You have heard that it takes years to make the name and it takes just a minute, okay, to lost everything. So, ich habe den Namen verdient. I have earned this name. I have earned this prestige. Okay, I have earned this respect. Du hast das verdient. We say, you deserve this. You deserve it. You deserve. Sie haben das verdient. You have earned this. Similarly, die Firma hat den Namen verdient. The company deserve the name. The company deserve it. They are doing very good work. They are doing very good services. They are offering very good services, very good products. The company deserve this name. Die Firma verdient den Namen. To earn the name and to deserve the respect. Okay, we use this structure. Den Namen verdienen or etwas verdienen. It's not money. It means respect, regard. Okay, ich habe das verdient. I have earned this. If I am getting some kind of respect or glory in the society, so it means I have earned this. I have done a lot of hard work for it. Ich habe das verdient. I have earned this. Means I deserve this kind of respect. Or maybe anyone else or any company. Das Hotel verdient den Namen. Hotel deserve the name. Hotel deserve this kind of respect, dignity. Sich verändern or ändern. Dein Leben hat sich verändert. Your life has changed a lot. We say, ever since you have come from Germany, your life has changed a lot. Dein Leben hat sich verändert. Mein Leben hat sich verändert or geändert. Geändert or verändert. Verändert will not take prefix ge. So geändert. Sich ändern or verändern. Was hat in Ihrem Leben verändert? What kind of changes do you have in your life? Was hat sich in Ihrem Leben verändert? What kind of changes? What has happened? What changed your life actually? Sich verändern. Okay? So this was all in today's video, B2 level video. Watch the playlist and learn German with me. Bye bye. Take care.